All right, welcome back, coders. This is a lesson on Minecraft Education Edition, AI for Good, the Hour of Code tutorial. We're going to learn how to launch Minecraft, how to create a world, how to use Code Builder to be able to start our project, and how to record a video screencast so you can turn in this project. All right, let's get right to it. Thank you. All right, let's get right to it. First thing we're going to do is we're going to open up Minecraft. So I'm going to go down to my Start menu here. Type in Minecraft. You'll see it pop open here. Your Minecraft should be updated to the latest version. It should be version 1.12.60 or later. If it's not, you'll have to update Minecraft in your Microsoft Store app. And if you need help doing that, you can just ask McDowell, and I'll help you out with that. All right, what we're going to do is click on the play button here. We're going to click on View Library, and you're going to see these different options that pop up. What we're going to try to use is the Lessons tab, so we're going to click on Lessons. From there, we want to go into the Computer Science section. We're going to click on Computer Science. And lastly, we're going to go up here to the top left where it says Hour of Code. So we're going to click on Hour of Code. From there, you're going to see this Hour of Code AI for Good. We're going to click on this and then click on Create World. And you'll download the world and you'll begin it. So the purpose of this project is for you to basically save a village from a forest fire. You're going to teach a robot how to tell the difference between dry brush and wet brush, and only removed dry brush from the forest so that way good vegetation can grow and bad vegetation will be cleared out. I'll be right with you, Carlos. Hold on a second. All right, so let's take a look right here. As you can see, Minecraft basically works with the W, A, S, and D keys. If you don't know how to play Minecraft, that is, you've never played before, you can press Escape and then go over to where it says How to Play and click on that. This will tell you everything you need to know about the movement. So right here, you use your mouse to look around, WASD to move around. You press space to jump. And there's some other things that you can do, like you can sprint. If you press W twice, you're able to sprint and move around quickly. If you want to place things or destroy them, you left click. If you have an item in your hand and you want to use that, you press right click. And that's pretty much all you need to know how to do to be able to do these projects. Now, once again, how did I get there? I pressed escape. And you'll notice that when you press escape, it also shows this little avatar over here. You can change that by clicking on this close hanger, and you can change your view to look like whatever you want it to look like. All right, now that we have that, let's see what we can do here. If I move up here, you're going to see that there's some people up here, and there's also a robot. If I go over here and I right-click on the person that says right-click me above their name, you can right-click on this. You'll see that it gives you a little bit of information. In this case, it says, hey, welcome to the Research Center. You got to open this gate. First thing you do is you press C to start coding. So once I press C, you're going to see that this opens up. And this is the Code Builder. This is where you're going to learn how to do all of your coding for this tutorial. In this case, you don't actually have to tell the program to do anything. It's going to tell you exactly what to do. So it says right here, open the gate. I press OK. You're going to see that there is a command up here that says open gate. And to actually run the code here, let's take a look at how this block workspace works. Please, everybody, just for a short while. Just for a short while. It should be just like another couple minutes, okay? Thank you. All right, so we have open gate right here. All we have to do is drag this block. If you wanted to execute any kind of commands inside of another program, you drag it inside the onStart block here. So when I drag this orange block into the green block here, that means when I start this program, it's going to do everything in the containing green block, anything that's inside of here. So when I press on start, it's going to open up the gate here, and that will make it to where I can get to the next spot. Now, how do I actually run this? Down here on the very bottom right, you're going to see a play button. And if you press this, it's the same as you activating the onStart program here. So I'm going to press play. When I do that, aha, you'll see that it opens up the next part of this quest. So I can go forward here. I can talk to this engineer. This is your robot. This is your agent. So your agent has your name above it, as you see here, and you can train your robot to do pretty much anything that you'd be able to do in Minecraft and more. There's a lot of things that your robot can do that you can't do. There's a few things that you can do that your robot can't do, but we're going to train your agent to be able to do a bunch of tasks to be able to automate the process of saving the forest so you don't have to go and pick up all the brush yourself. You can just have a robot helper do it all for you. So that's pretty much the instances of how we would get our projects running. Once I talk to this engineer, you'll see what we need it to do. We need our robot to move forward 3 steps to stop on the marker. As you can see here, there's this little marker on the ground. What I want to do is want to get my robot to walk forward 3 steps to do that. So if I press C, once again, it opens my code builder. And you can think of this kind of as a puzzle game. Each time that you have a new thing that you need to do, you need to get it to do a specific motion. In this case, when I go to on start, I'm going to grab this agent move forward block. I'm going to put that in here. However, I don't want it to move forward just by 1. I want to run this by 3 steps, so that way I can get my robot to move forward. To do that, you can just click on the white bubbles here, and you can change the numbers that pop up here. You can also, if you notice, click on the direction that you want your robot to move, and you can change that as well. All right, so I have my program ready. I press play. Oh, actually, before I get to this point, I'm going to record this video as a screencast. Every time you do a challenge, you want to record it so you can get some credit for it. So in this particular case, you want to record this happening so that way you can get full credit. Let's see how that would be done. If you press the Windows key and G, once again, let me put that in Notepad here really big on the screen so you can see it easily. Let me go to the font here and make this really big. You want to press the Windows key and G. And once you do that, then it's going to basically allow you to record a video of what you're doing. Once again, that's Windows and G. If you press that, you're going to see that a box comes up on the bottom of your screen here where you can record your video. So I'm going to press this big record button right here. You're going to see that the recording section pops up here on the top right here. So this is basically recording my video. If I press play now, we can see that worked, that I've completed this project. Now I'm going to press the Windows key, and I'm just going to go up here and stop my video recording. Now, where did that video record to? It recorded to a folder called Videos. So if I just open up my File Explorer down here on the bottom where it looks like a little manila folder right here, I'm going to click on that. And then I'm going to go over to where it says Videos. It's going to be under this PC. So if you go under this PC, right here, if you don't see any of this stuff, you might see just something that says this PC. You can go into this PC, click on the little arrow right next to it, and then you'll see all the stuff inside of this PC. We want to go down to Videos. If you go into Videos, you're going to see a folder called Captures. And Captures is going to be where it saves your video screencast file. So if I look over here, it should probably be the top left thing. This is what was last recorded. And I can see the picture looks kind of like my code builder. So if I double click on that, you'll see that, yes, in fact, it is that video. It shows me doing exactly what I just did. So this is what I'm going to turn into Schoology to this assignment for full credit. You want to turn in each one of the quests. So the first assignment would be 1 through 5. You want to complete those. Just make sure you turn in all the quests that it asks for at in the actual assignment. There's various code builder assignments that you can do in this class. And this is basically how you would complete the code builder and also how you would turn in those projects. I hope you have fun with this. I hope you learn a little bit about how machines think. This is a great program for learning how to tell a robot how to do things, which is basically telling any machine how to do things. I hope you enjoy this. Have a great time. I can't see what you come up